These are the best gluten-free crackers our family has tried. They are buttery, flaky, and if you follow the recipe, foolproof. Here are the instructions to mix up my flour mix. You'll want xanthan gum, egg replacer, this is what you're looking for when you buy egg replacer, and almond flour. You'll want your butter to be softened, and then you can add 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar or 2 packets of stevia. You can use regular whole milk, or I have also used oat milk as well as coconut milk for non-dairy milk substitutes. Preheat your oven, then spray 2 11 by 17 jelly roll pans with baking spray. Then simply add all of your ingredients to a mixing bowl. Start on low speed and increase to high. You might want to stop once, scraping the sides of the bowl and cleaning the beater, and then mix again. Divide your dough into 2 equal portions and place a half on each of the 2 jelly roll pans. Then cut a sheet of plastic wrap about the size of the pan and spray one side with baking spray. Turn it sprayed side down on the dough and then begin rolling your dough with a drinking glass turned on its side. You'll want to start at the center of the dough, pushing outwards to all sides of the pan. The object is to get the dough spread even thickness to all edges of your 11 by 17 inch pan. I promise you'll get faster with practice. This was a job my daughter liked when she was about 10 years old. Store-bought crackers are expensive, and you're really paying for the box and the printing on the box, along with a few crackers. So these are well worth the effort. You'll get 2 full pans. One pan can be frozen in an airtight tin for later use. However, at my home, they rarely make it into the freezer. You can also take this exact recipe and add a few more ingredients like paprika, garlic powder, a little bit of celery seed. See the exact ingredients and the amounts in the description below for a really great zesty version of this cracker. You'll want to score your crackers before putting them in the oven. You can do this simply with a butter knife and cut them into squares. Or if you have kids or grandkids, you might want to use a cookie cutter. Then bake at 350 for about 20 to 22 minutes. And then cool your crackers on a wire rack or something like a trivet with feet so that air can circulate beneath the pan. My favorite way to store crackers is in an airtight tin. If your crackers have to travel or they're going in the freezer, I like to add wax paper to keep them from moving. This will keep them from breaking. And then I add a sheet of wax paper or foil to get a good seal on the lid. This keeps the crackers fresh and crisp. I hope you and your family enjoy this recipe and make it time and time again. Thanks for watching, and please remember to hit the subscribe button to receive more great recipes each week.